दास्तान करबला एपिसोड 7। औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। इन्नल हुसैना मिस्बाहुल हुदा व सफ़ीनतुन निजात। Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Imam Hussain alayhi salam is the lamp of guidance and the boat of salvation. So on the previous episodes I have explained about this hadith and also many hadiths on Imam Hussain alayhi salam which was said by Prophet Muhammad, and then I presented the fazail of Maula Ali alayhi salam and Bibi Zainab salamullah alayha, and also I told who is Imam Hussain alayhi salam. So today I want to present the fazail, the virtues of Imam Hassan alayhi salam. Imam Hassan alayhi salam was our second Imam and the first son of Imam Ali and Bibi Fatimatu Zahra salamullah alayha. Imam Hassan alayhi salam was also beautiful, brave, and he was having the title Kareem-e-Ahl Bayt. That means he would give and give in the Fuqara Medina, and to every needy he gave. So there are 4 types. I will not present all the 4, but the first is who says nobody eats, I also not eat. If I am not getting to eat, then nobody will eat. And the second says I want to eat but nobody will eat. And then the third will say that I also eat and everybody should eat. But Kareem is the fourth, and then he says that if I will not get, if I will not eat, it is okay, but the other should get. So this is Kareem, and Janab Hassan alayhi salam is Kareem-e-Ahl Bayt. So once Badshah Rum sended a person with zakat, and the zakat is the old gold and the silver and all. So when he came in Medina with all that gold, silver, diamonds, then everybody wanted that. So now he said that this is zakat, I will give. But when you answer my 6th question, he had bought 6 questions to answer. The king had told that if they will answer that 6th question, then give them their zakat. So then they took him to the darbar. He said, I want to go to Muhammad. They said that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is no more in this world. Then they said that an other had came on his place. Now understand who was that an other. So when that person came, then he told him that this is zakat, I have to give. He said, give. He said, no, you have to answer my 6 questions. He said, okay. Then he said, the first question he told him, and that first question was having 3 parts. He said, this is a little hard, give me the next. Then all the question he told, he said, it was hard, it was hard. Now when he was not able to answer any of the question, then he said, what a nonsense you are doing. If you want to give zakat, give me. Then he said, no, I will not give like this. So then he came out. Now he started saying that Muhammad is not true, his Islam is not true, because nobody knows the answer. What they do know. Then Janab Salman Farsi heard it. He said, do not say anything to my Prophet Muhammad and to my Islam. I will take you to a person who will answer you all the questions. Then he said, who will answer my questions? He said, come with me. Janab Salman Farsi came on a door, which was the door of Bibi Fatima Zahra salamullah alayha. He knocked. Then from in, a voice came, say Salman, what happened? Now she did not open the door, and she was knowing that Salman was on the door. He got shocked. Then Janab Salman said that Bibi Fatima Zahra salamullah said to her that this person wants some answers, and he is saying that Islam had nothing. Islam knows nothing. So send Imam Ali alayhi salam out that he will give the answers. Bibi said he had gone in the garden to work. Now that person thought that the one who is sitting on the throne was not answering, a person working in a garden can answer. Then Janab Salman Farsi took him to that garden. Then Imam Ali alayhi salam was working there. His clothes were fully in the soil of the land, and then when he came, then he said, Imam Ali alayhi salam was there in front of him. He said to Janab Salman Farsi, he will answer my questions. Then Imam Ali alayhi salam once said that, no, I will not answer your question. My son Hassan will answer. This child, Imam Hassan, was of 9 years. Then he said, how can this small child answer my questions? Now he was saying like this. Then Imam Hassan alayhi salam came forward and said, are you giving me the question first or I should give the answer? So now Imam Hassan alayhi salam was asked the question. Imam Hassan alayhi salam replied, and also all the answers were right. Before he would ask the question, Imam told him, you have 6 questions and the first question has 3 parts, and I know all this and I can give the answer before you ask the question. So this was Imam Hassan ibn Ali alayhi salam. So the son of Janab Hassan ibn Ali, Janab Qasim, was present in Karbala. Imam Hassan alayhi salam was martyred on 11th of Safar. So Janab Qasim was present there, and Imam Hussain alayhi salam did not give him the permission to go in the battlefield. Janab Qasim came in the tent and he was crying. His mother Farwa, Bibi Farwa, came. Qasim, are you having the fear of death in your heart and you are crying? He said, no, my uncle is not giving me permission to die. Then Janab Farwa removed that taweez and opened it, which Imam Hassan alayhi salam had given, and said that when it will be the most problem time, then open it. She opened it and it was the permission of Janab Qasim, and Imam Hassan had written in it, my brother Hussain, give him the permission. Now as the order of Imam Hassan, Imam Hussain gave him the permission. Janab Qasim came in the battlefield and he fought, but when he was fighting, then from behind he got attacked and then he fell down from the horse. Now as Janab Qasim fell down, Imam Hussain alayhi salam sat on Zuljana and came in the fastest speed with Zulfiqar. Now when the army of Yazid saw it, then they started running, and when they were running, Janab Qasim alayhi salam was being tapped by the leg of the horse, and he came in the parts. Imam Hussain alayhi salam brought that parts to the tent. So now like this, Janab Qasim sacrificed himself on his uncle Imam Hussain alayhi salam. So I hope you have liked this video, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe my channel Zikre Karbala. Khuda Hafiz.
Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel Zikre Karbala. Khuda Hafiz.